Hello dear student, I am Varun Kumar Nishad from NPM school. In this video, we have start the chapter first, which is chemical reaction and equation of your class 10 chemistry. Chemical reactions and equations. Dear friends, in physical classes, you are already studied about 70% of your chapters. But in this video, we are start from the starting point of the chapter and what is a chemical reaction and what are the chemical changes and physical changes. These are the topic. It's slightly you are studying in your class 9th and that what is chemical changes or physical changes. Through with this respect, we are know about again the what is a chemical reactions. Through this respect is that physical changes and chemical changes, and we know that physical changes are those changes in which physical changes. Now, what is chemical reactions? What is chemical reaction? Chemical reactions. So, the chemical reactions is that in which after giving this answer, we know about the chemical change. In the respect of physical and chemical change, we know that the chemical change is permanent change, and it is irreversible change, and also observe change in color, but in physical change, it is a temporary change. And it is reversible change. There is no state or no color is changed. And no state. There is a change of only one state. Only one state to another state. So these are the chemical and physical changes. Simple, which is it is a permanent change, it is a irreversible change, and change in color and change of different types. Here is temporary change, reversible, no color change of only one state to another state. Chemical reaction. So chemical reaction answer will be the change. Suppose you take the examples. Take the examples like sulfur. Sulfur burned with oxygen. Or CH4. Take the example of CH4. It is all of you already know about it is that CH4, which is methane. It is gas. Then it will be like gas and oxygen. It is also gas combined to form carbon dioxide plus water plus energy plus here. CH4 plus oxygen will give rise to carbon dioxide plus water and energy. It is a simple chemical reaction, simple combustion, in which the methane is burned in presence of oxygen and produce carbon dioxide, water and produce energy. In this reaction, if you observe, it is a gas and it is also gas. It is also gas, it is a liquid. State is changed when the gas is burned in presence of another gas, which is this oxygen gas is compulsory to all combustion reactions. So when this phenomenon also, this activity is, this gas is also used to produce fuel. Okay, so this compound, which is methane, is exists in generally at normal temperature and pressure in a gas state. When it burns, it produces carbon dioxide, water and energy. When it burns with oxygen, I write it again on this things, which is H, H, H and H, like that, and it is also methane and oxygen, double bond. Here is, and here is. These are the 6 electrons and 6 electrons. The 2 electrons sharing between the O2 molecules of oxygen, and here is the 2 and 1. Break from these hydrogens are break from the कार्बन मीथेन कंपाउंड। ये जो दोनों हाइड्रोजन है ये मीथेन कंपाउंड से अपना बॉन्ड जो है ब्रेक कर लेते हैं, और ब्रेक करके किसके साथ ऐड होते हैं? ऑक्सीजन के साथ। और ये दूसरा ऑक्सीजन जो होता है वो कार्बन के साथ, एंड दैट्स व्हाई इट प्रोड्यूस अगेन इट प्रोड्यूस it produces carbon dioxide. It will be like a carbon dioxide, C double bond O and double bond again O, and here is oxygen, here is hydrogen. Formation of, so here is a 2 oxygen, here is also 2 oxygen, and it is 1 oxygen combined to form water molecule, combined to form carbon dioxide gas released. So these are the new bond. Here is also new bond from the reactant. So breaking of, this is a question of this answer. This is the answer of this questions. What is a chemical reactions? During the exchange of matter, one state to another state, one form to another form, one structure to another structure, is called chemical reaction. With respect, formation, breaking of old bond of reactant, breaking of old bond of reactant, and formation of new bond of product. New bond of product is called chemical reaction. Chemical reaction. I repeat again: formation, breaking of old bond of reactant and formation of new bond of product is called chemical reactions. Now we have discussed one more example of chemical reactions. Chemical reactions. Chemical reactions. Another which is in a everyday life, we all seeing in the early morning the photosynthesis phenomena is happening in the different types of plant body, and plant body is eligibility to prepare their own food in the presence of sunlight because they have presence of chlorophyll. So the plant prepare their own food and formation of glucose. Plant prepare their own food with the help of carbon dioxide which coming from environment and H2O which coming from soil, and the sunlight is coming from sunlight, and chlorophyll is coming from chloroplast of the same chlorophyll, and it will give rise to C6H12O6 or here is 6CO2 plus H2O, or we have balance another time, it doesn't matter, and here is like that. I will help you with the how we balance the different types of chemical reaction in another video, but on here with only carbon dioxide plus water and formation of glucose C6H12O6. When it boil, coming from environment, coming from soil, and form the form the glucose. When this glucose and produce also oxygen.